Yes, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily. My name's Austin. In today's video, I want to share with you the latest news involving crypto, including the launch of Terra 2.0, how you can take advantage, how you can claim Luna tokens, we'll talk about it. Also big news involving Bitcoin, involving Ethereum, involving the Metaverse, lower cap altcoins, and much more. So like always, check the timestamps down below, and let's jump in, starting with the now confirmed Terra Luna 2. The Terra community has approved Kwon's plans to revive the project. The new Terra Luna blockchain will be launched in the next couple of days and includes a new distribution of Luna tokens. So this is much like how we have Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. One sprung from the other, the community disagreed, and now there's two blockchains. This proposal from Kwon was called Proposal 1623, and in terms of how the vote broke down between Terra Luna holders, 65.5% of all voters chose to support the proposal, more than 20% of voters abstained, and only 13.2% of the votes strongly opposed the proposal with a veto vote. So the revival is happening, and the relaunch is slated for May 27th. Now, if you or a loved one were a Terra Luna hodler and you lost money, the Terra snapshot is expected this week. Here's how the new Luna will be distributed.
Attention! If you or a loved one was diagnosed
with holding Terra Luna,
you may be entitled to financial compensation.
All right, here's the breakdown. The distribution model for the new Luna tokens include 30% for the community pool, meaning the treasury, meaning nobody in particular, 35% for Luna hodlers before the crash of the ecosystem, 10% for the pre-crash anchor-staked UST, AUST hodlers, as well as 10% for post-crash Luna hodlers and 15% for post-crash UST hodlers. So if you bought up Luna or bought up the stablecoin after the crash, if you took advantage, you're only getting 10 and 15, a total of 25% for you. The rest of the 75% is going to the people that held before the crash. The final thing I'll say about this new coin distribution for Luna before we get to other crypto news is here's how you know specifically if you will be receiving coins. Every investor who held over 10,000 Luna tokens before the stablecoin's implosion will receive their tokens periodically to prevent immediate selling. So anybody that held at least this many tokens before the collapse, over 30% of your new tokens will be unlocked immediately initially, while the remaining 70% will be released periodically over the next 2 years. The new tokens will be distributed after 6 months to such hodlers. So your tokens you receive immediately, at least 30% immediately. But if you are a whale that was in the ecosystem before the collapse, wallets with more than 1 mil Luna or their stablecoin UST prior to the stablecoin's depegging from the dollar will have to wait for more than 1 year before receiving any tokens within a 4-year vesting period thereafter. So I do like that, making the whales wait. And in terms of what then the total supply for all of Terra Luna 2 will be, the supply at Genesis will be considerably lower than anybody's anticipating, closer to 116.7 million, rising to 182 million of Terra Luna 2 after 1 year. So that is the breakdown. Give me your honest thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think? Let's all check the comment section together right now. But next up, let's keep going, get to other top crypto news. Check the timestamps. Stripe to enable millions of merchants to convert payments into Bitcoin via OpenNode. So Stripe, a global payment processor, is working with OpenNode to enable businesses to convert fiat back into Bitcoin. And this is so cool to me because millions and millions of businesses already use Stripe. And now it's just a click away if they want to accept Bitcoin. So through the OpenNode app located in Stripe's app marketplace, users will be able to convert fiat payments into Bitcoin in real time, and businesses can set an automatic amount of their payments to be converted into Bitcoin, or they will also be able to manually convert any amount into Bitcoin they wish. And this is the biggest thing to me, is that they can choose to automatically convert, let's just say 10% of all fiat payments into Bitcoin. So if they get paid $100, automatically they can set to $10 out of every 100 will just go into Bitcoin. or whatever they choose, 10%, 25%, 100%. The power is with the merchants, and Stripe and OpenNode just changed the game. And next up, what about Ethereum? Well, GameStop has just rolled out their MetaMask-like Ethereum wallet to support their NFT marketplace. So this is great news for the ETH ecosystem. This wallet will let users store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies and NFTs across various crypto apps, and it will support NFT trading through the upcoming launch of their GameStop NFT marketplace in Q2 2022. And this is also good for Loopring. This wallet leverages Loopring's ZK rollup technology and Ethereum Layer 2 scaling protocol for cheaper and faster transactions. Now, the one thing to keep in mind is GameStop, even though this wallet is non-custodial, meaning you are in charge of your funds, GameStop is a centralized company, and they will be tracking certain user data information, including your IP address, GPS coordinates, and information near to the user's device, according to their privacy policy. They also monitor the user's network, clicks, mouse position, and keystroke logging. So take this information for what you will, but GameStop is trying to onboard their users onto Ethereum, as well as onto their own NFT marketplace. Next up, let's talk about Avalanche. Avalanche submits their subnet proposal for ApeCoin DAO's Metaverse migration. So another step forward for ApeCoin's Metaverse, other side, may be coming to another blockchain. Avalanche developers have asked the ApeCoin community to consider building out the Bored Ape Yacht Club's Metaverse as an Avalanche subnet. Their proposal argues that other side, BAYC's Metaverse, could benefit from Avalanche as a low-fee and high-speed network. Also, Avalanche, rival to Ethereum, would additionally provide access to a $290 million incentive program to support development costs, as well as provide technical expertise and marketing support. So it could be great news for Avalanche if this goes through. Just as a reminder, subnets are a scaling solution on Avalanche, allowing builders to stake AVAX to build their own blockchains atop the Avalanche base layer. So, Avalanche HODLERS, we will see. And next up, I want to talk about higher caps. I want to talk about lower cap altcoin news. But first, I want to give a big shout out to sponsor of the channel, the FTX App. Now, you probably know the FTX App as one of the most respected, fully regulated exchanges in the US, with fees up to 85% cheaper than competitors and is trusted by millions of users. Now, there is a special promotion running right now. Get up to $100 in crypto for free with Altcoin Daily by using code Altcoin Daily when you sign up and/or this QR code right now. So, how do you do it? How do you get free crypto with Altcoin Daily? You are going to download the app, use our code, then fund your account to start trading, and then earn up to $100 in crypto. When you trade $100 or more, you'll earn $10. When you trade $500 or more, you'll earn $50 in crypto. And when you trade $1,000 or more, then you can earn $100 free in cryptocurrency. Get started today. There's a link down below. That's ftx.us/partners/altcoindaily. Take advantage, link down below. All right, next piece of user growth news for Uniswap. Uniswap has just broke $1 trillion in total trading volume, but has only been used by 3.9 million addresses. So in my mind, both big numbers, but let's break this down. They have topped $1 trillion in total trading volume since their launch on Ethereum in late 2018, and this comes from a relatively small user base, however, indicating that there's a lot of potential growth to come. And that's true. If they got over $1 trillion in trading volume from just 3.9 million users, that tells me this trading volume will explode if/when they do get more users on the network. In a direct quote from Uniswap, over the past 3 years, this protocol has onboarded millions of users to the world of decentralized finance, introduced fair and permissionless trading, and lowered the barrier to liquidity provision. So Uniswap is definitely a blue chip, stats like this prove it, and it's cool to see all these people using a decentralized exchange. And next piece of lower cap altcoin news, Ethereum is excited to announce a strategic partnership with Wonder Hero, which is an NFT play-to-earn mobile game. Ethereum will be collaborating to bring our NFT passports built using our NFMe ID technology to their gaming ecosystem. Very cool. Let's break this down. How Ethereum is powering Wonder Hero with their gamer passports. Just to clue everybody in, what is Ethereum? Well, Ethereum empowers data ownership in the Web3 and Metaverse ecosystems and creates new market value for your data. It enables this by providing decentralized data brokerage technology, and it has a suite of tools that enable high-value data to be bridged from Web 2 to Web 3 and then be traded via peer-to-peer sales. So essentially, they allow you to keep control of your data in this Web 3 world. They empower gamers to truly own and trade their Web 3 gaming data for the first time in history. And the news today is, of course, Wonder Hero is using them. Their gamer passports are coming. And essentially what this means, once the gamer passport technology has been implemented, gamers will now be able to claim and own their on-chain and off-chain player data as they move between guilds and the broader Web3 gaming ecosystem. So if you like Web3, if you like gaming, you like this, cool to see the progress. All right, that is the video. My name's Austin. And by the way, Altcoin Daily just announced we'll be speaking at Dcentral conference in Austin, Texas, June 7th to June 8th. If you will be in the Austin, Texas region, come hear us speak. Come hang with us, have a beer with us, and use promo code ALTCOINDAILY22 for a 30% discount. I will put this link down below. I think this will be really fun, and I hope to see you there. Link down below. Check it out.